Oh shit. This beer is dark and mysterious. And I have no clue kung anong lasa nito. Tara, tikman natin. So, saan ko nga ba nakuha tong beer na to? At bakit wala siyang label? I will tell you in a bit. But first, pag-usapan muna natin kung anong klaseng beer ito. This bottle is coffee porter. And dun pa lang na-intriga na agad ako. Why? Because favorite ko talaga yung mga may itim na beer, the dark ones. I don't know why. I'm always a fan of dark beers. The porters, the stouts, the roasted lagers. But I have never tasted this kind of particular beer, the coffee porter. May natikman na ako dati, coffee stout. That one is made by Flatfoot Brewing Company. But what is the difference between a stout and porters? Actually, hindi ko alam. Kinailangan ko pa mag-research before this episode para malaman ko kung ano ang pinagkaiba ng stouts at ng porters. Let's see.
The story of porter dates back over 300 years, and it originated as a darker version of English brown ales that were a very popular style at the time. A stronger, fully bodied version of porters became known as stout porters, and eventually just stout.
So, saan nga ba galing itong bote na to? This bottle was sent to me by a viewer and a craft beer fan like myself. His name is Happy Dad PH. Check him out on Instagram. Marami siyang mga content na nagre-review at nagpapakita ng mga iba-ibang klase ng Pinoy craft beers. Happy Dad PH. Follow him on Instagram. At ang kwento niya sa akin, nagtatry na rin daw siya mag-brew ng sarili niyang beer as a hobby. Therefore, this is his bottle. Wala pang label, wala pang branding. And for me, that is the most exciting part about this episode. Because I will get to taste a new kind of beer in its experimental stage. Oh shit! Nag-overflow agad yung bubble sa bote pagkabukas ko. That's okay. Buti na lang nasa loob. Beautiful. I love the color. Love it. I can see that it's very dark. But it's not as black. Pag tinatapat ko siya sa ilaw, parang nakikita ko pa yung pagka-brown niya. Naamoy ko yung coffee. Pero hint lang. Tikman na natin. Cheers. Okay ah. First impression, the bitterness is strong and it's a little bit sour than I expected. May konting asim siya, but nalalasahan ko yung coffee flavor. Para kang uminom ng kapeng barako. Ganun yung klase ng hint of flavor na nakukuha ko sa kanya. Matapang yung pagka-coffee niya. Yung alcohol content niya is only 5.5%. Hindi masyadong mataas. So parang mga pale pilsen lang. In fact, hindi ko masyadong nalalasahan yung alcohol sa loob ng bibig. Wala siya nung sting ng alcohol sa bibig or sa lalamunan like the other beers na mas mataas ang alcohol content. The texture inside the mouth is kinda light. Meaning, hindi makapal yung texture sa bibig. That's the mouth feel. And yung finish naman niya, parang medium lang. Sakto lang. The finish is the way na nagdilinger yung flavors ng beer sa lalamunan after you've swallowed it. I'm trying to find words or ways to compare it to some other beer that I've tasted. Let's say sa Cerveza Negra. Cerveza Negra, it's a dark roasted lager, malt lager. It's not like that. Malayo siya doon. Although pareho silang dark beer. This one is lighter. And I don't think it's fair to compare this one to that one. Because it's a different kind of beer. Hindi siya comparable. If I can compare it to Flatfoot na coffee choco stout, it's a bit closer to that. But this one is mas maasim ng konti. And it's kinda lighter. Para akong umiinom ng Sagada coffee na black. walang sugar, walang cream. Brewed. Cold brew. Yes, that's what it reminds me of. Para siyang cold brew coffee na naka-infuse sa beer. I like it. Okay, overall reaction, I'm just so happy na nakakatikim ako ng mga ganitong klase ng beer in its experimental stage. I'm just so glad I'm witnessing the birth of a new brand of beer. This is a home brew. Ibig sabihin talagang ini-eksperimento pa lang talaga as a hobby nung brewer ni Happy Dad PH. But then again, I'm not a brewer. I'm just a craft beer fan. So, yung opinion ko, it's maybe clueless or it's not very reliable. The way I judge my beers is only based on my own taste and my own experiences in drinking beers. But what I can bring to the table is my support. Being a craft beer lover, particularly Pinoy craft beers, I love Pinoy craft beers. Yung mga ganitong klase ng beer na sobrang mga microbrews. Ito yung mga pinaka-paborito kong tinitikman dito sa channel na to. I'm so excited that I got to taste beers like this. And I hope to see this brand in the future sa mga craft beer events. Mag-grow siya at makilala siya at magkaroon siya ng sariling following sa mga craft beer events. And kung meron din kayong mga craft beers, kung nagbo-brew kayo as a hobby, huwag kayong ma-discourage. Marami akong mga nakilala na craft beer brewers. Homebrew lang sila dati pero ngayon, marami na rin silang distribution. So if you have homebrews, craft beers na gustong ipatikim sa akin, just let me know. I'd be so happy to taste it and to give feedback. Leave a comment down below or mag-message kayo sa akin sa Instagram. Look for me, The Clueless Bartender. And speaking of craft beer events, check out this next episode where I got to be a judge sa isang Pinoy craft beer competition. Click this link and see you in that episode. Cheers!